I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us.
How? Yo, peeps, we find one next spot. Me see that cat there? I'm never telling about the dopey cat them in no peeps. You see that?
Morning. How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay. Let's pass into.
Peeps, we are walk and the rain a come down and it's like we not reach where we are going yet. But anyway, we see an abandoned house, we have a shelter night, and at the same time we have to explore it and make a sewer in there, is it? Yeah, we stay a long time, you know? Look on this.
Real, sure.
You know what say nature always leads from something?
Yeah, man. Yeah, let's see, bro.
Guys, we are looking for shelter. But this abandoned. We have to look first, you know.
Yeah.
And I know I'm scared of people, I don't want to see no dead body. This is the front of the house.
What's there, you know?
What's there, man? What?
Yeah,
What?
Oh. It's the sign at the front.
Like it's a hut, you know, like, man, there. Oh, there.
But not.
Really there. The house now have no entrance, bro.
Yeah, man.
No, they live here, no?
Yeah, man. I want a shelter. Oh. Yeah, no.
Yeah, guys, so this seems like the entrance.
Yeah.
somebody living there, so we're not going there.
No. Can't violate people and right.
Banana, water.
Was. Watch it. Hold on. Take your time, come on. Take your time.
I'm not afraid I was.
Watch it. What?
Come over here, sir.
You want to find next side? No, we're not tired. I was me look for I go bite you there.
Come look here. Yeah, guys, Chuck afraid of was, you know. I'm afraid of the small thing like the wasp and the lizard. I'm afraid of the cow. Look at that.
Oh. Was too much.
Yeah, guys, so it's an abandoned house, that's why I stay. So we're back from our journey. Because this can't, guys, you know, look here. This can't shelter rain. This not on a roof. So we're back from our journey, alright? Yeah, man. So this is one of the abandoned houses in Hermitage, and if we're able to, you see that what's that?
Yeah.
If we're able to, guys, we're gonna try showing you more than one. We're gonna try showing others before we reach a great house. And guys, I'm not promising anything because this search today are gonna be one of our longest journey, one of our hardest search, one of our greatest find. If we find it, and one of our most exciting journey. That's why we're not really film. Nothing from man with us a walk and we a walk. We've been walking for almost 4 hours now. Alright? Wanna follow me?
Fun a lot. You gotta look bush wall it up. I tell you.
Guys. Nice plant to walk. Chucky, a plant or banana this? Planting.
And banana.
Banana in there too? Yeah, peeps. Shout out to the farmer or farmer, someone a big thing, man. In a Hermitage.
True.
Like it. You know?
Development.
Yeah, man.
But only pagungo to.
Holy pagungo to, for real. Yeah, man. So we're on our way, peeps. We're on my road. Isle nut.
Alright.
Who know about isle nut? Type isle nut in the comment section down below. Yeah, man. See it over there, sir.
True.
Follow me.
True.
Yeah, guys. Something over here, sir. I just see the tree, man. Now. Stone that, you know? Think of the house.
Yeah, sir.
What that? Concrete that? I don't concrete that, huh?
No.
Be a stone plate. A yam bush, man.
Wow.
Watch a yam over here, no?
True.
Yeah, yam over here, man.
Stone and grow. Open that. Stone on this, in
No.
front.
Stone.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, that's stone. So, we're back on our journey.
Right.
The level down there.
Yeah. Tell us the level, man.
Be a stone.
Well, them floors are shoot. See
Yeah,
this?
the floors are
That
represent
tomb this,
here.
no?
No, man, a stone that man. Yeah. The cemetery that close by, so the floors them blow up. And since there a while, you know, so just to find the cemetery, and we don't must find it neither. It can be that slaves were buried here and the ancestors plant the tree them.
Yeah.
Listen, because ancestors of the slaves would have planted the cheaper tree them, which then are the cheaper tree them already accessible anywhere in Jamaica.
For real.
So me say it can be slave graves that were there.
True.
Somebody was asking me the other day if slaves had graves and why slaves graves. Why we don't look for slave graves? Slaves graves aren't marked, you know. You don't know where they mark unless the ancestor the plant on flowers tree or something beside the grave for sure so well. You know them family buried there so. Otherwise some that slaves weren't recognized. So them never have no grave with no headstone for sure so well. Tom Jones was buried there.
Yeah.
However, guys, I have a project coming up which you want to do. Like, we get some brick. We haven't got the place as yet, but we are trying to get piece of land somewhere in a central location in Jamaica where we can actually build a wall. And this is not, I'm not going to say this is my idea. This is coming out of, I think, Barbados, one of those countries. But we want to do that. We want to build one wall out of bricks. Like each brick represent a slave. Because I've got the names of several slaves, like thousands of slaves. So, like each brick, would have put a slave name on it and use that to create a wall. That would be a monument. So think about that, guys, and let me get your feedback on that. And let me know how you think. if y'all don't understand what I just said and want me to talk about it better, y'all can contact me at the number on screen, alright? Yeah, alright. If you want to be added to the WhatsApp group, the Elite Jamaica WhatsApp group, contact me at the number on screen and I'll have you added to the group. However, at that one, we need to have a monument to the slaves that came on the conch ship and all of them shit. We have next video for that, guys. Anyway, we're on our way searching for the Hermitage Great House. Hopefully we'll find it today. Chuck it look down the road and carry come.
It's a van. I come a good speed too. Even the road for himself. Alright.
Yeah, guys, so this piece of building process down. Elder, you hear land? No. Alright, that piece of building me I look for. Me now pick nothing. You see it? Yeah, guys, you don't follow me because I really want to see this picture what we think.
Elder.
Yes.
Respect, yeah. It looks like.
Yeah, guys, so this is actually an old building. Yeah, it's old,
Alright.
but I know what we really are looking for. This is not a slave building. This is not part of the pre-colonial era, but it's an old building. This seems like from the 30s or the 40s. We have a step right here.
Yeah. Sure.
We have a step right here. Columns here. Guys, this building was here like from the 30s or 40s. You know, this may be one of the houses. You know, guys, y'all know about the houses that persons that went and fight in the World War. They got some free houses, the returning soldiers. This seems to be one of those houses. As to the step, so yeah, man, this is not really part of the history we are looking for, guys. Alright, so we're on the way again. We're going to document this day or so. Because you know, we are doing abandoned community video at the same time too. So we're going to document the abandoned houses, the older ones, and let y'all see that. Alright? You follow me? Yeah, guys, as you know, a lot of the places we found, we've got an historical map which shows us where these places are located. However, we realize each time we search, we keep on to find places that aren't on the map. You understand? So now, as me tell you from the other day, guys, we are doing some wild goose chase. Not really wild goose chase, because some of these locations, I know some of them there, but these are the locations which we don't think we would have found because they're at some strategic location, them way up in some bush or something. We don't really think we would have found them. But these are the locations we are searching for, and at the same time, we are searching for lost locations or abandoned locations which weren't mapped. Alright, so yeah, man, that we are do. And if you all appreciate videos like these, you can subscribe to the channel, as that really help the channel, you know, that's really helpful, because at the end of the day, we have to pay the bills, you see it? So
True.
you can click that red subscribe button under the video if you're all interested in videos like these.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to subscribe to the channel, if you don't want to hear the one bag of noise in the head and I can upload video, because this is gonna let you get all of the videos that I make. Yeah, I get them.
True,
so if
true.
you don't want that, you just click the thumbs up button, something like this, and you click it to turn blue or black depending on your color on your phone, and that really helps the channel also. Or you can leave a comment and give me a feedback. If there's somewhere that you want us to check out, you can actually leave a feedback, tell us the location, and we check it out. Is it? For those of you who want to donate to the channel, number is on screen down below. We really appreciate the donations, guys, because the more donations we get, I'm gonna go start, you know. Here.
Yeah.
The more donations we get, guys, we can go further in Jamaica. You see it? We can, because peeps, our ultimate goal is to find, I'm not telling you what our ultimate goal, but anyway, we are going to find all of these locations in Jamaica. So, you know, we have 25 years out of video. So you all support the channel, because we're always going to be creating new content, and we always are going to go all over Jamaica. And we always are going to do all kind of different cultural videos about Jamaica. So you all not going to miss out on anything. Alright?
Yeah. Yeah, man, look on this side. Yeah, see if you're good right now.
Yeah, man, this abundance.
Yeah, see the movement.
Like the mother
Feel
water
it?
problem.
Feel it?
Huh?
Feel it?
No.
Oh, I feel
Seems
that.
like the other water problem around here with the house them lean. Like water mess up the house here, because most of the house them we have to see from here, and them kind of lean to an angle. So I don't really understand what cause that. If you guys can help me out and really make me figure out what happened, let me know. But
Sure.
don't follow me.
Bro. Yeah.
Yeah guys, and as you notice, here's another house right here. We go closer.
Yeah, I make the way now, bro.
Yeah guys, it seems like that one here really did tumble down.
Yeah, go look.
At this
I don't know.
sewing machine here.
Yeah. The wheel and spin. Why not look?
Look, guys, you know, me have my bad lucky with house here, concrete where I just drop them. I don't want them drop down for me, so just send the camera in there alone.
Yes,
Push the
ready.
camera in there and look.
Yo.
Yeah guys, so that's the inside of the building look. They're all leaning to one side. It seems like these were destroyed by Austin and Gilbert. I want to those times. However, we have a lot more around here. So follow me.
You see me alright. After I look fruit, you know. Style me in a paper.
Why on it fruit now look dog?
Talk, you know.
Can't go and talk.
Can't go and talk. Apple him a look paper. Wow. Yo, left that alone, man. Can't get that. Yo, come on for your journey. Wow, look here, brother. Hold that, you know. Hold that, man. It's dangerous. Yeah, move at night time. Have to watch your foot.
Yeah guys, so yeah, we reach, let me say we reach on location where we actually have to start search. We came here already, we found a house up on the hill up there, which it wasn't the Great House, it was a house on stilts. I'm showing you that as soon as we reach up there, and then we're going to start search from there because I'm so supposed to go to the house and then go slant. So yeah, that way I do. If we don't find it up there, so then we'll come back down and go straight down from the truck. However, that way I do. Follow my peeps. And yeah, guys, we just had to switch camera because space run out from one of the phone. So we know that we're from morning we are walking, about 4 hours we are walking, and now it's almost 1 o'clock. Alright, so we follow it. Keep a company, let me know if you're all still here. Yeah guys, so that's the house right there. And remember the house there? We actually found that already. That one on stilts. Yeah. This isn't the Great House, that one over there. So we are got the next one. We are trying to find the next one now. And this is where our search actually begins. Alright? So come in, Chucky. I can show you can do. Guys, we're miles from civilization. And hopefully we can find this house today. It's there somewhere up in the bush, somewhere up around one corner around one part. However, I want to know we're going to find it, guys, even if we have to come back tomorrow, as in Island. But we'll dig down the whole up to the peeps. If you're all here with me, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're not there, you can stay. Follow me. Yeah guys, we're there in the jungle again guys. Pristine jungle, untouched wilderness. When you hear my voice echo, when you hear the birds, like last time I come around I saw run, go back around this okay. When follow me because I've never been in this bush before. A long time I never go somewhere where I've never been there before. Yeah. And in here really scary. Chucky can't keep your eye on the camera. Chucky look all over the place. In here really scary guys.
Okay guys, what? Look how he runs. He runs. It's a green lizard.
Type scary in the comment section down below, peeps. Otherwise, follow me. Yeah, guys. Beautiful greenery. Beautiful greenery, guys. Yeah, man. We're up on the property. No, man, that is stone, dog. You see me? So we're in at the dead of the forest, peeps. You see that? We're down at the forest with the guys. I love this. I'm loving this. If you are loving this, let me know in the comment section down below. But you know, I'm still chucky. The road that we will follow is a slave road again, you know. With the stone them, you know. You know, this is a stone in pocket. So I think we're up on the right track. But some sound, I not like the sound of me here, Rona. Rona feel weird, guys. Really weird. Hold on, stop. Just stop. Forest and mystic. Anyway, guys, I think the road here lead towards the great house, so we are really want to reach, because that one here telling that this is gonna be a hard search and this is gonna be a scary search as far as I see. So that's on way. Yeah, man. Now follow me. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, if you all want to donate to these adventures, numbers on screen where you can contact me. Yeah, man, really appreciate it. Alright? Yeah, man, so follow me. I'm loving this one. If you are loving this one, start loving this one in the comment section down below. Just feel weird, don't you? You want to catch everything on camera just in case something bad happen, though? If you see nothing, though? Yeah, man, this feels like an adventure, guys. Long time I want to go for an adventure like this.
And one more thing, it's like a spiritual adventure also, you know.
You want to feel haunted?
Yeah.
Walk.
Yeah, there.
What that? What? Oh, there!
Run to there now.
Nah, run again. Last time I come on, I'm run. What that?
Right, and it's up like a building, bro. Yeah, what's going on now?
Run, man. Just going straight.
Let's start to the road now. they think from them like a kid. Earn from it.
Another one of someone.
Earn us.
Straight if we go. Straight over in the bush where the animal gone. Yeah, him we have to follow. Go on. Yeah guys, we have to go up where the animal go a while ago. I don't know why no. Right, wonder we have to go. Alright, so we'll do now update as soon as we can, alright? Yeah man. Yeah guys. So we're still up on our way. I wonder what the longest journey this today, no peeps. At night I'll catch we.
Yeah man,
But
sorry.
we have to find that one here. Yeah man. We need to find this one. So we'll follow the track same way and see where it leads. If it leads anywhere.
Sure. Yeah. Some giant stone too, you know. Yeah. Can't believe it. Stone really grows up so big. Yeah guys, it's a giant stone right there. Yeah man. Hold it man, should be out of the earth too. Yes man. Come like we climb one mountain.
Most of the time them building on top of some mountain. You know.
Sure. And look at the place that's crowded with stone, bro.
Some of those feel
Place
like
just
because them always live apart, them can have access to the stone to
build.
the house.
Sure.
So I feel like we're up on the right track, is it?
Sure.
Wanna talk this?
Goat. All heap of goat. Wow.
You feel we're up on the right track, peeps.
Yeah. See them?
Yeah. However, this is nowhere that we have ever ventured out to before. So not to see with me, alright? Yeah.
Alright.
Come on. Follow the goat.
Exactly so.
Feel like up on the top of the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So my head to the top.
Look at this tree, folks. Whoa, right up there. Yeah, man. Right over here. Alex always around left me. Feel like he might get speedy on the hill. Hey. So I always try to stay fit, you know. Always have water, bro.
No water.
Really? Still I survive though. Got fruits upon tree, contain water. Yeah. Yeah man. Wow.
Top of the hill.
Yeah man, top of the hill is. Yeah man.
Yeah. Yes, Rasta George Plata. Marcus Garvey. Malcolm X. Look at that. I'll show you. I don't know. Guys, I don't know. I'm not sure, you know. This looks like one corner. Let me see what I go on first. I tell you no still no peeps. And you see if I'm building up so, I want whole building. Like the one I'll find an island. I'm telling you from now.
Sure.
Alright, so we have a search. Look like right, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, catch you now. Hold on. Yes, we reach.
Yeah.
We reach. We reach.
What
We reach there.
What that?
Ease yourself. What that?
Yeah, guys. So, you know, anytime y'all see stones like these, and this look like one borderline too, you know. Right here. You see that, Chucky?
Yeah.
So, guys, anytime you see stones like these, you know they're close.
Sure.
You see me? So, we'll explore up there, so, and see what I go on. Now clean off my shoes, because we're not clearing now. Yo, this is a wall, you know?
Yeah,
guys, you know, look here.
if you look like
seriously, look
clear.
here. This,
Wanna stone them?
well, I know, look how I show you. Guys, now look here. This run straight across.
Sure.
You follow me?
Sure. Hold on. Hold on. See, what walk here, sir? Next guy on
Cut
a
camera,
fence.
dog. And you can reach them. Yeah, guys, you notice them stone here. And time see them stone here, you know, so the building they close. You see me? Them stone here run go straight across, go down there so. Me don't go down there so I got lose my truck. So, guys, this was not basically like a what? As me tell you know, peeps, this was a old house, you know. A old house, you know. Yeah, man, this was an old house. Like, this was here from in the 15th or 16th century.
Okay.
Alright, this is a wall. This is one of the walls we walk on the barrier wall. We don't find the house yet. But I mean, Chucky, look here.
Now come.
Look here, sir. Guys, and look here. Go there, sir, Chucky. And look here, guys. You see me? And look here. And look up there, sir. Go straight across. And you see that?
Yeah.
Now come back down and look straight across, come down now, peeps. And pass me and go down. And you see this? We're on a barrier wall. And if you look over there are no more rocks over here. There are no more rocks over here, just right here. So we are circulate. Once we walk on the perimeter, guys, we must find the house. So,
Oh, look at that.
got me myself a hole. Yeah, Pete. So, a hold hole.
Yeah.
Next thing, guys, yeah, we're kind of convinced
Wow.
just the formations of these rocks right here. This is my wall is there. Just the formation of these rocks. I see that a wall was here, and this are from long time. This are from years, long before the making of time, maybe before clocks start make. This is a long time. This is not part of our modern slavery. That's why I tell you guys, that's one of the reasons why I'm this stop film video for a while, you know, guys. Because I realized that the history wrong. You understand? A lot of these buildings that we're finding, and we think that these were created by slaves who were slaved by persons from British descent. And a lot of these buildings, guys, them never did built by British or the people from in Europe. These buildings were built by the Moors who came to Jamaica long before even the English, even the Spanish. Jamaica was occupied long before. And them take over the place them and slave the people and for work on the plantation where these places were. It's because we know from day one so the Spanish then come build every aqueduct and every water wheel. European or English never do nothing. So them slave the people and then the history, through the history book, the way of the history right now is like say what I want things say at them the build the thing. They did not. And this right here, that building here, what we say? This is living proof. And this is the next building that prove that the history that we got in school was wrong. Alright, now watch me. And I feel like a joke this. National Historic Society of Jamaica, whatever you want to name. And I need to come clean. Now look here. Alright, so guys, this is the outer barrier of the yard, of the construction, of the dwelling. Them have an outer wall, alright? Even if it was the high wall to protect them, you know, so everybody split up them land, Chucky.
Yeah.
So when they split up them one, know say, yo, over this half here, over this half finish. So them have outer walls.
True.
This was built by stone. Not even the lime mixture we not see night. So we know this was very old.
Yeah.
Alright?
True.
So, I still go around on the wall. I want to notice in the peeps. If you don't think I joke, me make you look, you know. We have straight edges, you know. It's just that the wall break down. But we still can see the straight edges along here. You see, Chucky?
Yeah.
You see it on the camera?
Yes, man.
Alright. And these stones over there, fall down. The wall fall down. You understand?
Yeah.
So we're up on the wall again, guys. That's the outer over there. That's something
Yeah.
that someone built. When they are in the bushes, then can store them, produce and all of that.
True.
Or if a goat or, you know, whatever
Yeah.
they might store.
Watch the wire.
Watch the wire.
The wire.
Yeah, guys. And for that reason, I show you something what I never do before. And I know I stop all up time. Don't. Look at Chucky. Find the camera right there, so you see that? That's a part of the house right there, so.
Sure.
Turn back the camera now. Don't show them too much.
Yeah.
Peeps, when I say we're not in a joke thing though. Like, this is one of our longest journey.
Yeah, man.
And on this video, we really are going to ask for donation. You see me? Contact me at the number on screen if you all want to donate to these expeditions. Because we are going all about over Jamaica and we are going to bring this history to the forefront so people can know exactly what it going on in a pre-colonial times or even before that. Make them know say the Moors did come here first. It was black people here first. Nobody no come slavery and make build nothing. You see me? It was built before. You see me? Them come at the place, come see the thing and them slavery and make work on the plantations. And that's what they need to teach in the history class because the proof is here.
True.
You see me?
True. Reality.
And nature tells no lie.
No.
You understand? And time tells no lie. And this go against just this site alone we find right here go against everything what them tell we.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Because this look like it there from Jesus there. You understand? Them to stop it. Them need to stop it. And we're gonna continue to make videos like these as long as we have your support. As me say, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That is enough support.
Guys.
But
and also share it also, guys.
also share the video. Yes.
We need knowledge to go out in the world.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright. So all of those who are watching on your lunchtime, on a break time or whatever, keep watching. We'll be right back after this break. Take this intermission break to like the video if you never do it before. Subscribe to the channel if you never do it before. We soon come. Yeah guys, as you know, we're right over there. Looking at the construction I see from where I am, the type of building material I see from where I am, it don't really add up with the wall that I'm seeing. And you know, I like make better on them things there. I really can't bet on, you know, said this construction that we're seeing right here, and not even the perimeter of the building out there either, you know. This was a house within itself, you know, because if you look here, you know, we have everything inside. We just can't make A from B of it. You understand? On the ground. So I think it was an older construction that was here from like, you know, the 14 or 1500s, and then them build back on it in the 1600s.
Sure.
Alright, so we now hold up my time, peeps. Come go over here for the building there. So I see me tell you the building there, so you know, man, look at the wall that, you know.
Yeah, man.
People have to keep for like that video. This video, guys, listen, more want to share that video. This video, I even share this part of the video. This video is really important to our history. Alright, this goes against everything where them are teach we. Because this building was here before the history where them are write.
True. Reality. Guys, this is reality TV, guys. Yeah. Wow. See this? Look.
A part of the building, as me I tell you. And them always know, you know, the building there, the building there, the here. Alright, look here. The building there, the old building, the outer perimeter, may I show you?
Yeah.
The day here.
Yeah.
What it seems like this was, you know, as me tell them people like live place so them can get the stone to build them house. So it seems like brought the stones here and this I did the quarry, like you see I pack them stone and pack up in the
Yeah, man.
So piece of cut straight, you know, so whole heap of cut straight, you know. Like them cut them to build the building over here.
Yeah.
You understand?
True.
So
reality.
alright, let's go see what I'm going. Because we really want to see
Whole
what
heap of cut stone right here. Wow.
Elite Jamaica is back on the road. And support the channel. Make we number one. Make we the household name. Ah, yo, peeps, we find one next spot. Me
See that cat there?
I'm telling you about the dopey cat them in the peeps. You see that?
Yo.
You see that?
Yo.
Telling you about the dopey cat them, you know. You see that a while ago? But anyway, we not even pay that no mind. Guys, we find one more big pot.
True.
One day here, or a 2 day here, or 3 day here. How much there? Because this is untouched.
Hey, that's a building there,
This, me see it.
Okay.
And that's where we go. This is an untouched location.
Yes.
Don't show them the building, guys.
No.
We're not showing that yet.
No.
The last time we got Island Head, we find pot. We want to find a cat there, you know. We want to domesticate him. We want to bring him on him wild. He's a building over there, so too.
I don't know.
See him that way there. Anyway, guys, we see our next copper pot. Yeah, man, we see our next copper pot. We don't know that going to be part of my intro. That is reality. That's why we don't look at the buildings until you are looking at it with us. We like the excitement too. I can't wait. Alright, when I look for hieroglyphics here,
That me do.
look for markings on the wall, not on these.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so when you see it there, but I want to know how the suspense go. We have to look out front first and look how we look front first.
Yeah,
because me know, you know, it's like from a city perimeter wall, me know so reach, you know. There's no way this wall could have been here and just stone. No. And this come like the quarry for the building.
Yeah,
see?
man.
Look here. A veranda this one, next building, you know, you see that?
Yeah.
Our next building was here. So that building here where we see peeps, this building over here, this is not the first building that was here. That building is not the first building that was here.
True.
You see me? Them come build on property where it already there here.
True.
The place is haunted, you know, peeps. So we'll do this
man.
1, 2, 3 and out of here. So we're giving the full information, alright?
Yeah, man.
Guys, see the pot here, peeps. And watch out.
Reality
This is the entrance
pics.
to the house. This is the entrance to the house.
Yeah.
So the water.
Nothing move. From down there, come right back up, bro.
Right back up.
Right back up.
This big.
Real big.
Yeah, guys, so as we tell you, we'll find our next copper pot. Take a picture. You don't have to stop the camera.
You know.
Yeah, guys, this is a very large copper pot. Alright? You know, found like, we are about 4 of them and we'll find, oh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, guys, this is our next major find. This is leading to the house. And at every step, Chucky,
Yeah.
when you take picture, you hear that?
Yeah.
Just take some picture. This is a very large find, guys. Guys, hey, guys, I don't know what to say. Like this, I wanna bigger find them, you know?
I mean, historic finds.
Chucky, me to tell you, you know, say today was gonna be a journey.
Yeah.
And we just hope we find it.
True.
We get all of information. We find the wrong house the other day and now we find it. Guys, I've been waiting too long.
Fix up.
Whoa! I don't know, I'm going to stop again before I go inside of the house. This is crazy, guys. I joke now, gonna come. Alright, so.
Alright, this is the entrance, guys. Okay,
That's the entrance.
Yeah. Whoa!
Whoa!
Bro, come on.
Whoa!
Amazing. Yeah, see your bedroom over there, today. Go on, yeah, go on now. Go on in your bedroom. Go on in your bedroom, now, brother. Yeah, man, you're in your bedroom, that. Hey, man, I'm going to show them the side here, now, bro. Yeah.
Follow me. Yeah, Pete. So, you know, finding the building, guys, you know, I'm not really fascinated so easy like this. Finding the building, I always look around the building. Yeah, guys, so I always look for the outer structures because we find the building, but then the outer structures, to me, them always more interesting. So I see something down there, sir. You follow me. You see it?
Yeah, Mr. Something.
See it, but I don't see it again.
Them place is very spooky.
I don't
Watch
see
the
it
fence
again.
in front of you, you know.
We just saw a building on this one.
I see it, you know. Look
You
like
don't see
it
it?
gone. It gone, bro.
I just want to walk along this, you know. Alright, anyways.
So,
Guys,
Wow.
we're kind of low for memory space. Anybody who can donate to a memory stick to it or one proper camera would I really appreciate it. Because the memory thing you be too bad. And the memory stick now sell out here by 123 gig and you get 18 gig or you get them not sell the right amount. Them don't work. And anybody who really know about the memory stick them can tell you about it. Alright, so yeah guys, we're gonna explore about this building and let you know what's going on. We don't really have the information about this building, guys. Alright? However, to me, this was a great house. We see say it was a great house. Yeah, guys, so as I was saying, like we'll open space, alright? So I'm just gonna go around this quick so y'all see this building and we can get out of here, alright? Maybe next year we can come back and film this. These were the posts that they pushed through for all of the board floor, guys. If you follow me around here, you notice this right here, a cellar was right here, alright? You have a cellar under there, so maybe another room and it was filled in with stones. Right here was a downstairs. Right here was a downstairs also, which was also filled in with stones because we have which was a board floor that come across right here. Alright, so this was a really big house, guys. Really big.
It's massive.
Huh?
It's large.
Large, yo.
Yeah.
This is another part. This is the column, guys, the back column. If you notice them thing, hey, guys, I'm really not feel good. Oh, I not have enough space on the phone to really film this home one.
Sure.
Look at this, the trees growing out of the wall.
Up in the air.
You see them construction, huh? This is just like what we found in Island Head. These houses are here from a long time, guys. Them houses never been in a slavery, in our slavery. You see me? Them houses are there a long time. If you look at the construction, there's no denying that. Alright? Look at that. This one back room is a wall. It's a run cross right there. So we have a back balcony right this way in, you know.
Sure.
You see me? Look there, Chucky, show them behind. Show them the balcony. Show them come right from there and show them the balcony. Yeah, guys, so this is the wall right here, guys, coming across. So that right there would be a back entrance with a balcony.
Sure.
You see that?
Sure.
And then we have the fireplace right here. Yeah, guys, this, guys, yeah, as you notice, we showed the back balcony a while ago. This is a fireplace, guys. Go there, sir. We showed them the fireplace, yeah. Peeps, this was a Victorian style slave master house. And you see this? Real fireplace. So the entrance up here, sir, we have never found a house with a fireplace still intact. Although the fireplace are always the strongest in the house.
Sure.
You see me?
Sure.
This is a Victorian style fireplace.
Yes, man. Official. Have a seat now, Alex.
No. We don't have the space for that. No.
Okay.
So we are filmed.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so the house is a big piece. We really are telling you the house is big. Like,
Wow.
this is one of our larger finds. and we really have to come back. If you all want us to come back to this location and search the surroundings to find the rest of the buildings, we'll make you know in the comment section down below. But as far today, we now can do that because space a run out piece. Alright? So this is the honest part of the building, this is the front part of the building.
Sure.
Coming around to the entrance. And we're right back at the entrance. Yeah, man. So the outside is big.
Real
Come
big.
outside, Chuck, and show them back from
The outside.
Yeah, guys. So this, guys, is the Hermitage Great House and the plantation. However, there's no plantation to be shown. One more thing. Now I'm going to find out about the next house that was here before. What house it was, which plantation, because there was another house here before this house, alright? So I want to find out what was there before that, because this was built on another location. Guys, thank you again for joining. It was really a pleasure having you here. And it's nice with the building that behind we. Anyway, Chucky, you know we have to done because space limited. Guys, it was really a pleasure having you here. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section down below. And until we meet again here in Elite Jamaica, just want to say, y'all stay blessed and stay safe. You want to watch the whole of that video, and if you watch the whole of that, just let me know say reach right to say in the video, is it? Yeah man, we're out of here. Yeah peeps, cut we are cut. We're not gone yet. Guys, just as we are leave, we see more building up in there, so you know we have to come back, come film this. Yeah man. So yeah, y'all stay safe.